Hey everybody, it's Vanessa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video on the Huda Beauty palette. It is the Desert Dusk palette. This is pretty much what the colors look like. So these are pretty much the colors that I used on my eyes. I think it's gorgeous. It looks really pretty. At the end of the video, I'll let you know my thoughts on the palette and the colors that I used. So if you want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. I'm back with the finished look, and the eyeshadow looks really pretty. Honestly, to tell you the truth, I am not as impressed by the shadows as I thought they were going to be. I thought they were going to be a lot more creamier. Like, you know when you dip your finger into a nice shiny like shadow and you think it's going to be kind of creamy, so it's going to be boom in your face? Like, that's not what it was, and I feel like I expected that because it's Huda Beauty, and like this palette I believe was $90 or $95. So for $95, I really thought I was gonna get a lot of color payoff from the shadow. Let me just show you Nefertiti on my finger. Like, it's right here. It's not as banging as you think it's gonna be. There's just not a lot of color payoff. I had to like go in a couple of different ways to apply it. First, I just went in with my finger, and then I'm like, okay, maybe it just needs a brush to pack on a bit more color. So I tried a brush both ways. There was quite a bit of fallout of glitter like on my cheek area, and thankfully I hadn't done my foundation yet, so it was okay. But then I went in, I'm like, okay, let's try some Fix Plus, right? So I wet my brush and put on some Fix Plus, and I felt like that was the best way I could get color payoff like on my eyelid. I mean, it looks pretty. You can see the glitter on it. It's just not like a boom kind of color, which is what I'm expecting from this palette. I did have to go in with one other color. In the crease, I went in with Anastasia's Burnt Orange, and that was just to add a little bit of more dimension into my crease. I found like in this palette, there weren't too many colors that I could go into my crease with. Like, I felt like this one over here is Eden and Desert Sand. I found like it was a bit too light for my skin tone to like really add dimension into my crease. And then the other colors like Amber and Blazing down here were also not the best colors to really, for a nice transition color. They were more to like darken up your crease. So I went in with Burnt Orange just to add dimension. So that is pretty much my look using the Huda Beauty palette. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.